Hello, my name's Todd Gooch. My theory is gravitational unit theory, unified field theory, and I'll be giving an upcoming series on the periodic table and all the work that I've done on the periodic table over the last 8 years. Some of the work includes proving that atomic formation is directly related to the unit length, which I believe should be examined very closely by the Nobel Committee. However, it also includes an awful lot of work on structures that I've come up with which supersede Lewis structures in many areas, and there's very good data to support that it's much better to draw atoms and molecules using these structures than your current Lewis structures. My goal is to win the Nobel Prize in Chemistry and Physics and also a MacArthur Award. I believe that I should win a MacArthur Award because at 42, because I really didn't start working on the theory until I was 25, and that'd be about the time that you would choose to give a MacArthur Award. Over the last 17 years, I've worked on it independently without any funding from any other sources. I have no affiliations with any universities or institutions. It's just me. But I believe that the chemistry and the work that I'm doing in chemistry supersedes all of the work being done by anyone who uses Lewis structures today in chemistry. In order to attempt to win the MacArthur Award, I'm going to do something here on YouTube that I feel should win the MacArthur Award. I'm going to do something that I believe that no other chemist or scientist alive or dead has ever been able to do. I'm going to solve for the variables in the ideal gas equation, at least some of them at this point, without using the ideal gas equation or the value R. And I'm stating this here at the beginning of the video series on the periodic table, and at the end of the video series, I'm going to give the solution. And that way it gives a little bit of time for people to think about whether or not they could do it, whether or not they're able to actually do that anywhere in the world, any scientist anywhere, to solve for the variables T, P, V, or the number of moles without using the equation at all. So I'll give the proof for that at the end of the video series in hopes that the MacArthur Foundation will be listening, and all my contact information is at gravitationalunittheory.org, and so I invite you, the scientists of the world at large, to take a look at the work that I've been doing on the periodic table, why I believe that the Nobel Committee should be taking a very close look at the geometric proof that atomic formation is directly related to the unit length, and also that the MacArthur Foundation should be paying very close attention to the fact that I can solve for the variables in the ideal gas equation without using the ideal gas equation or the value R. And I'm going to do that right here on YouTube for everyone to see. Thank you very much for your time. My name's Todd Gooch. and my theory is gravitational unit theory, unified field theory.